Example sum 6.33. From a window h meter high above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the another house on the opposite side of the streets are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. Show that the height of the opposite house is h into 1 plus tan cot theta 1 cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1. So imagine first this is the window, it is h meter height above the ground level. In the opposite side, here we have the house. From that window, the angle of elevation is, from the window, the angle of elevation of the opposite house. So here we have the horizontal line. Angle of elevation. Elevation means above the horizontal line, as theta 1 as the first, and then top, and then foot of that angle of depression. Angle of depression, foot of the opposite of house is, let me take it as theta 2. So the angle of depression means the horizontal lines, below that is the angle of depression, above is angle of elevation. Now let me take it as this is h, means this also the height h, right? Let me take it as the sides of that A, B, C, D and E. So AB is the window and the ED is the house of opposite side, top and bottom, right? Let AD and CE be the window and house of opposite side. And then we want to show that the height of the opposite house is h times of 1 plus cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1. It is, we want to prove that EC is equal to, we want to prove this is the height. First we take the triangles one by one. In triangle, see that triangle, first theta 1, I take that ADE. ADE. See, I draw here another roughly. This is theta 1, this is E, D, and then this is A, right? This is h, means this is unknown value, let me take it as x. Now here theta is inclined here, the opposite divided by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side is the ratio. Here theta is given as theta 1, so tan theta 1 is equal to, the opposite side is x and adjacent side is AD. Now I take this AD to this side, AD is equal to x divided by tan theta 1. And this can be written in the form of AD is equal to, because we have to prove that cot, right? So let 1 by tan is nothing but 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, the reciprocal of 1 by tan is equal to cot theta, that is x cot theta 1. Right? I take this as equation number 1. Next, in triangle ADC, see the triangle is like this. This is ADC, this is ADC, this is theta 2 and this is h. From this ADC theta 2 and this is h, height of DC is equal to h. So here also we are using the same ratio, that is tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So theta is inclined here, this is the opposite side, and this is 90 degree, this is hypotenuse side, right? This is adjacent side. So that theta is given as theta 2 is equal to opposite side is h divided by the adjacent side is AD. I take this AD to another side. So AD is equal to h divided by tan theta 2. 1 divided by tan is nothing but cot theta, right? Here theta 2, so mention theta 2. Equation number 2. See that from first and second equation AD, right? From first and second equation, so both having AD, so from 1 and we take it as from equation number 1 and 2. x cot theta 1 is equal to x cot theta 2. So x is equal to h cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1. Let me take this is the x value, right? The height of the house is h plus x. See here, the total height of the house is, that is C E is nothing but h plus x, and then h we know that x we have x plus cot theta divided by h cot theta divided cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1, that is the x value. Now here h is common to both the terms, so h will be taken out commonly, so we have 1 plus cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1. This is, we want to prove the height of the building h into 1 plus cot theta 2 divided by cot theta 1. So hence proved. Thank you, students.